Russia, Kazakhstan evacuate 110,000 people as record floods to worsen. More than 110,000 people have been forced to evacuate in Russia and Kazakhstan after the first melting snow swelled the Ural River, causing it to burst its banks and flood cities and towns along its path. More than 97 people were evacuated in Kazakhstan alone, the emergency minister said on Wednesday, while at least 12,000 people have been moved to safety in Russia, mainly from the worst-hit Orban region. Both countries have been battling the rising water for more than 5 days and declared a state of emergency. The Kremlin said the worst of the flooding was still to come in some parts of the Ural and Siberian region. In Kuhang, a region that stranded the Toboro River near the border with Kazakhstan, 4,500 people were evacuated and fear grew that thousands more would need to be moved out. Sirens were ahead, warning people to evacuate immediately. The floods are also expected to worsen in Kuhang, home to some 300,000 people, as the Toboro River swells. The Russian opposition criticized Putin for not visiting the affected areas. The Kremlin said he had no plan yet to visit the flood zone and was being regularly briefed on the situation. Namatev Justin, MRU TV.